To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to make poha. It is a breakfast recipe made with flattened rice, tempered with some simple ingredients. Morning breakfast should be something heavy, so poha is a great way to start your day. It will keep you full for a long time. Not only breakfast, it is a great option for lunchbox. So let's see the ingredients. To make poha, we need 2 cups of poha, that is flattened rice or which is also known as pressed rice. There are 3 varieties that are available in market: thick poha, medium poha and thin poha. Don't use thin poha, it will break while mixing it into tempering. So go for thick or medium size poha. The one that I am using is medium poha. Next we need 2 medium size onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 1 small potato boiled and diced. I have used some salt while boiling these potatoes. Using potato is totally optional. Handful of coriander leaves that is chopped, 2 large green chillies. You can adjust the quantity as per your taste. 1 sprig of curry leaves, that will be around 6 to 8 leaves. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon lemon or lime juice, pinch of sugar, salt to taste, 3 tablespoon oil and half teaspoon mustard seeds. We will start by preparing poha. Now poha will absorb water very quickly, so we don't have to soak it. Just wash it couple of times and it will soak right amount of water. If poha absorbs too much water, it will become like thick paste while mixing it in tempering. Washing just 2 times is enough. Take it out in a sieve so that excess water will drain out. All the excess starch has been removed from poha. And you can see each grain is separated, and when you press it, it will be perfectly soft and not very mushy. Poha is prepared, so we will start with the tempering. In a pan, take oil, let it heat on medium flame, add in peanuts and fry them till they become brown and crispy. Keep the flame on medium while doing this because they will burn quickly if you fry them on high flame, and also keep on stirring so that they get fried evenly. They are done, so take them out. In the same oil, add mustard seeds and wait till they splutter. Then add in green chilli, curry leaves and onion. Cook this on medium flame till the onions become soft. Now you can see the onions have turned soft. Now add in turmeric powder, sugar and boiled potatoes. Cook it further for 2 minutes. Next in goes poha. Also add in salt. Very gently mix everything up. Put the lid on. Turn the flame on low setting and cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. Finally add in lemon juice, coriander leaves and fried peanuts. Mix it up. That's it, our poha is ready to serve. While serving, you can sprinkle some fresh grated coconut from top if you like and a small wedge of lemon. So my dear viewers, do try this recipe. It doesn't take much time to prepare and cook it. If you like today's video, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button which is right below this video. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.